Alright, let's just try this hard Sudoku puzzle. So we'll take a look at ones here. That's an easy one. Take a look, one's going to be down here. One's going to be in here, one's going to be there, so too many spots all of those places. 3 spots here. So let's go to number 2. Let's see, it's in there. Too many spots. No, I got a 2 here, so there. So that means that this 2 is going to be here. Just looking along the other areas to see. Looks like there's too many spots for all of these as well. So we'll go to 3s. Looking at 2 3s here. 3 3s here. And I think we got too many spots on all the rest. 3 spots here. So let's just jump to 4. 4 is going to be here. Yeah, it looks like there's too many spots going across. Okay, we'll just jump to 5. 5 has to be here. Okay. Not too much else, I think, for 5s. Yep, 3 spots here. So we'll just go to 6. 6s are going to be here. And 3 spots here. 2 spots here. So that means the 6 must be over here, which means it has to be here because it can't be there. And that's it for 6. 6 is going to be all of these here, so I guess just for fun I'll mark those. And 7s. 7 has to be in these 2 spots here, which means it must be on the left. It's there, which takes up a 3, so that's a 3. We'll go back to 3 in a second just to double check that. 7s, too many spots there. Okay, let's go look at that 3 now that we got it. So that means 3 must be up here. That's all that. Oh yeah, and then it gives us this 3, which now gives us this 3, which now gives us a 3 here, and 3 spots there. That's not too bad. That was the 7. Oh, look at, we got a line here. 1 2 3 4, missing the 4, so we'll get the 4 in there. Let's click 4s and see what that does for us. Oh yeah, it gives us this 4. Gives us this 4. Oh yeah, it gives us 4s here now. Over here next, 4's here. Okay, so we're missing 2 in this cell. Let's take a look at those. So we're missing a 2 and 8. 2 and an 8 must be there. So let's click on the 2 and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, so that means that has to be a 2 up here. Which means a 2 is going to be, no, it leaves 3. much for that. How about the 8? So the 8 is there, which means 8 must be in these two. Okay, so the 8's going to have to be here, which gives us those 2 6s. So the 8 now must be up top. And that's an 8-3 combo, so we're going to highlight those to say those are taken. And we'll go back to that in a second. Let's just see. Well, let's just jump to 9. Oh, no. Yeah, we'll just jump to 9 next. 9, 3 spots here. Okay, 9's on the bottom here, we know that. 9 is... Yep. Oh yeah, you've got 2 9s. Oops, not an 8, a 9 here and here. And so that's good for that. Well, let's just have a look at what's missing here. Well, it's going to be 2 or 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 9. Yeah, it can still be, so the 9's going to be one of these two, the 2's going to be one of these two, and the 8 could be one of those two. Okay, so not enough info. So let's see, this cell here has missing, so the 3 and 8 are taken, so we're missing a 1, which can't be here, so the 1 has to be here or here. Which puts the 1 now in the middle here. And we're missing 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 in here. So we look at the 5. Yeah, any of those. 6, 7. We're missing a 7 in there. Can be any of those. 8, and then we're missing a 9 in there. And the 9 must be down there, so that's already marked. Okay, I'm just going to step through these numbers quickly again because we've thrown in some things. So the 1s, looks like there's not too much we can do with 1. 2, it's already marked there. Okay, well we've got, nope, we got nothing there. Okay, 3s. 3 looks like it's fairly marked. Maybe these 3 spots for 3 there. Go to 4. 4 is fairly marked as well. 5. Okay, so 5 has to be here or here now. Those diagonal ones don't help a lot, but we mark them anyway. And 5 is going to be there. Okay, so here's what I see already just by looking at 5. 5 has to be here, here, or here. And then up top, 5 has to be here, 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 or here, which means they're on the outsides, which means 5 must be in the middle here. So I'm going to put those in and kill all of these. So let's go to 6. Is in here. See, I can see 6 is covering a lot of, all the way across, so it doesn't give me that same concept. 8, or 7, I mean. 7 is... not too much with 7 here. Okay, so 7 must be, so 7's on the bottom here, and it must be here. So 7, 7, which means that 7's here. That's not enough info to give us much more than that. Let's jump to 8. Okay, well there we go. So 8, 8. So 8's going to be here or here. So that's a 7, 8 combo. You can see there's just one of each number in there. So that kills that 4 and makes those a definite. So then that's the 4, which then kills the 2. So that's the 2. And now we know the missing number here has got to be the 5. Because the 7, 8's done. So let's look at 5s while we're at it. So that knocks that 5 and puts that one there. And there's the 4 and the 6, which gives us a 9 here. So looking at 9s again, 9 has to be here. I'm just going to mark those because there's 7s and 9s. If there's something else there, then we'll know what this is. Oh, that has to be 2 or 8. I don't think there's enough info yet. I don't think so. 2 or 8. No. 8 could be any of those. Okay, so 8s, 8s. Let's look at the rest of the 8s here. Okay, on to 9. Oh no, well let's do this. This is a 7, 8 combo. So that means that this is not a 9. Oh, that can't be a 9 anyway. I don't know how I got that there. No, that's the 7. So what are we missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 5, 6. We're missing a 6 in here, in this line. And now we've got a 1 and a 2 missing in here. So those are definite. There's the 2. And let's look at the 1 again. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1 could be any of those. Okay, so not much more for 1 and 2. That's all we got. Okay, so let's look at a box. Let's look at this box up here. So we're missing the 1. The 1 could be anywhere. 2, 3, we're missing 3, 4, 5. The 5s are marked already. The 6s are marked. We're missing a 7, so there's the 7 there. Oh, so the 7's going to be here. And that doesn't give us enough info there yet. So now we're going to let's look at this box. So 1, we're missing the 2, which is going to be here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is marked. 8 is not marked, but it's going to be up here or here. And then 9 is all of those. So let's go back. So let's see, where are we at here? I guess we can run down some lines. I'm just going to jump very fast through the numbers again just to make sure I didn't miss something, because once I place something, it's not a bad idea to just quickly double check them. There might be something kind of totally obvious. 2s are in here. No, nothing there. 3s. 3s there. 4. So just see if I can make sure there's, marks in every square if possible. So if they're marked, I'm not concerned. But there we go, 4. We're missing the 4 here, so it's got to be there. Doesn't give us much info. Sometimes they double up though, which is nice. So we'll go with 5s. 5, 5, 5. We'll go with 6. So 6 is going to be in, oh, there we go. See that 6 clashes, so I already found one I missed. There's that 7. So that means the 1 and the 5 have to be there, so those are done. And that's 6, so 6, 6, so 6 is down here. So there you go, there's a pair of 6 and 4s, so we'll mark those. We'll come back to this square next. 7. 7 has to be here. 7. Okay. Too many spots for 7. And with 8, I think we're going to have too many with 8 as well. Yeah. And with 9. With 9. There we go. We've got 2 9s. See, now that we blocked this out, now the 9 is here for sure. But we got way too much for 9 in the middle. Okay. So we're going to look at this row, but first we were going to look at this box. So let's look at this box. We're missing a 1. Which could be up top here, anywhere up top. We're missing a 2. 2, oh, there we go. So 2 can't be here, 2 can't be here. So this is the 2, which knocks out the 3. And that's going to give us this row, which is a 1, which gives us a 2. So let's look at our 2s while we got them looking at. This is the 2 here. Oh no, that's not a screw up. That's why I don't mark 3s like that. So that 9 should come out of there. That's the 2 there. That's the 7 there. So the 9's up here then. Okay. Got confused by my 3 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that's not an 8. That's a 2. That's an 8. And there's our 8s, which means 8 has to be here. And that doesn't give us anything on 8 yet. Okay, now I'm kind of lost. I can't remember what I'm looking at. Let's just click around and see. 1s. 1s have to be here. Oops. Here. Look at 2s. 2s are done. 3s. 3 has to be here or here. It's not giving us anything yet. 4s. 5s. 5 has got to be up top here, so that's a 5 or a 5. Oh boy, still not giving us anything. And this is a 5 or a 5. We'll go to 6. 6s are all marked. Nothing clashing. 7s. 7 is in the middle, which is really not giving us much there. And 8. We did 8. 9. 9 is too many. Well, actually 9 is not too many now that I look. I believe we have something here. 6s, 3s, 4s, and 9s. So 6, 3, 4, and 9 are there, which means the remaining numbers are here. Oh boy, 1s, 2s, so 3s are done, 4s are done, 5s are done, 6s are done, 7. 7 is not marked. So this must be the 7. There's the 7 there, 7 there. So this has to be the 7 because those are all taken. Well, that was an interesting one. So that's not a 7, that's a 7, that's an 8. And that's a 7, that's not a 7. That's a 5. And that's a 9. Double check our 9s. Yeah, that's a 1. So that's not a 1, that's a 5. And that's the 1. That's not a 1. This is the 1. Double check our 1s here. That's the 1. So that's got to be the 5 now. That's the 8. That's not an 8. That's a 3. That's an 8. And this is not a 3. So that's the 3. Which leaves the 4 here. So 6s and 9s are there. Oh, we're missing something here. A 9. So that's not a 9. That's a 6. And that's the 9. So we're off to the races here. That's the 5. That's the 4. And that's the 6. And we did it. 21 minutes, 56 seconds. Well, it's a little long, but we'll give that a happy pace. Okay, there you have it.